Morning to my planner and my supervisor. So today I'm going to present the demonstration of my YP. So first, my title is develop a smart travel itinerary generator for Malaysian cultural tourism. Okay, and my supervisor is Dr. Nayef. So for the objective, there's three. The first one is to design and develop a smart travel itinerary generator that promote Malaysian cultural tourism through customized travel itinerary. Second one is to build and integrate a verified cultural and cost database for accurate recommendation, trip planning, and the third is automatically generate travel itinerary based on the user budget, duration, preference using the rule-based logic. So this is my module. There is 10 modules inside my system. Okay, so this for the view that I will explain in my demonstration of my system. So this is the rule-based itinerary planning logic that I'm using in the rule-based logic for my system to generate the route itinerary. Okay, so welcome to my system. So firstly, there is the welcome page. And then it will asking you to choose in the row. So for the user, we choose traveler. And then we log in the detail. Okay, so this is the dashboard page. We can see some information inside here, the buttons. So first we go to first module is the traveler preference analyzer. And then here we need to insert our information. And then choosing the based on our preference, choosing a information based on our preference. And then okay, so here we will have a review. If no problem, we can confirm and save our preference. It will say your preference is saved, and then we can proceed to the itinerary generator. So we go to the next module, itinerary generator. So inside here, firstly, we need to choose our save preference first from the previous one. Okay, so we choose the previous one. And then here, we can chat with the AI, talking that. Okay. So inside the AI, there is some feature. For example, I can let the AI to detect whether there is the starting date and and also the starting location. We need to fill in these two info before we start the route itinerary generator. Okay, so for this one, for example, this one we can just write the random address. Okay, and then we can start our generator. Okay, and now it will go to the next module. So firstly, they're asking us to choose the module to choose the place first, whether there is the place that we want to go. Okay, for this we can keep it. If we don't want this place, for example, we don't want this, we can change by replace. Okay, so then we think this one is okay, then we keep. You change already the location and the place. Okay, for the rest we also keep okay. For next we also got the hotel for the 1 day trip. Okay, so for this one it's just the estimation, not the real price. Then we can using the SERP API to refresh the live price, but some of them there is no just the estimate price. Okay, then we can confirm. After that we confirm our trip. For the hotel we also can choosing yes or also let it empty. Okay, now it will show the route itinerary. Okay, so based on this, they're showing the route from the starting point to the point A and B, then C, also D and E. So below here, there's the information and there's a show route. It will telling you how to go to the next destination. Okay. And then also the last of the day, it will say it will go to the hotel places for you to rest. And then the next day, we're starting from the hotel day. inside here, we got the AI assistant. We can ask the AI assistant to explain a trip. Okay, and then it will tell you what is the trip about. So next we go to the next one. This one is for the praise uh, cultural guide presentation, which is include all the cultural praise data. We can have a log. Okay. Beside that, we also can review the praises, whether you think the praises is good or not. We also can insert a new praises. So for example, we just roughly enter some. Okay, so you're choosing the address, it will showing out. But this one is not a cultural praise, so we just left it first. Okay, and then next one is the edit profile. Okay, so this one is the for the traveler site module. Next, I will explain about the admin side. Okay, so for this module, there's three modules inside here. The first one is the stat cultural knowledge base. It means that the admin need to uh, control and verify all the cultural place database and all the data we're showing here for the admin to verify, see the detail whether is it correct or not. If not correct, the admin can edit it. By the way, the admin also can add the module by insert the place information, and then also they can using the CSV bug import, which is something like the coding insert. And then next one, this one is for the pending. So this one is from the previous traveler insert data. They suggest the cultural place and then need to review by the admin first. Okay, so for example, for this one, they will also show if the location is nearer with the current existing database in the system, it will showing like this. So whether you for the admin want to approve or reject. Yeah. So next one is the information for the user. Then next one is for the admin report. So inside here, they're showing the graph of the database recorded by the traveler. Okay, we got the user preference analyzer. So if we're choosing the higher interest, and then the stat, we're showing down here. You can also export the PDF. Yeah, it's showing. And then we also can adjust the destination. And next one is the attraction and the pricing. We show the highest price attraction. Okay. So next one is the cost and budget report. So this is generally based on the traveler. They will review whether the traveler is within their budget or over their budget. Mostly it will within their budget, but sometimes when the budget is too low, like 2 day for only 100, but include also the hotel something, this will be over budget lah. Okay, and also for the trip summaries, so the hotel cost is all about the cost, and the last one is the AI report. So this is the user using the AI most, and then also the question summary. Besides that, we also can using the AI generator to generate the report. For example, for this one, I'm using the Olama local AI module. Okay, so it will showing the AI generate report like this. Okay, so that's all for my module. Thank you. Also export as a PDF.